Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video we will be making phone docking station using phone box. So let's start. We'll be requiring a sponge from the watch container, a phone box, a magnetic charging cable, a small piece of wood, a power bank, glue, 2 new diamond magnets, small crystal stones. Some of it. Magnetic charging cables come with different type of connector. You can buy as per your phone connectivity. We'll cut this wooden block into 2 pieces. Now we'll give a cut to the box to pass this magnetic charging cable. Now we will adjust the 2 wooden pieces with the magnetic charging cable and we'll glue it to the box. Once it's glued, you can glue the magnetic charging cable, or you can use cable tie to tie it to the box. As you can see, power banks hide completely behind the box. The power bank will also act as a weight which will hold the box on the table. If you are not using power bank, then just give a cut or make a hole to the box to pass the cable. Over here you can glue both the boxes together and use some two-way tape underneath of the box to hold it on the table. I have given it a gold and black shade to it. If you are using power bank, then you have to do some little bit of adjustment to it, some modification to hold both the boxes together so that you can remove the power bank and charge it. Here I have used 2 new diamond magnets from one side, and from one side I had used 2 stopper like small wooden pieces to stop it from sliding. Now cut the sponge according to the size. You can draw a different pattern on it and glue it with some crystal stone to make it look better. Guys, don't forget to check my next DIY on smart jewelry ring. That's it guys, and the phone docking station using phone box is ready. Do subscribe to Jtech link. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.